We manufacture high-quality squeegee blades, hoses, and all main parts for floor scribe machines. Today, I will explain in detail how to disassemble and install our new squeegee assembly. Disassembling. First, remove the two fender wheels. Then, remove the two black screws. Use a small rubber hammer to hammer this place and hammer it gently. It comes out. Then, put it in place and take out the pressure strips on both sides. At last, put it in place and change the rubber blades, front blades and rear blades. So we finished the disassembly. Now, let us see how to install the squeegee AC. Let's put it back and put it in place first. Install the rubber blades. After install the front blades, let's install the rear blades. Let the holes on the rubber blades correspond to the squeegee AC holes. After installing the rubber blades, let's put the pressure strip in. Align the buckles inside when placing these pressure strips. The right position is here. Then change one side, grab it with your hand, and align the two pressure strips on the right position. Then put the plug in and lock it with a rubber hammer, and do the same on the other side. Put the plug in and lock it. Install the two black screws, and finally install the two fender wheels. Now we finished the installation. Any information you need, please contact us. This is Lily. Welcome to contact us.